5 years later, helping others, trying to take something back. Bring something back to the comments. I can do it! I will do it! I'm going to make it happen!
Captain Sapp would want you to know he was an average student, a C student, who now holds 3 master's degrees and is a doctoral candidate.
Good afternoon. Oh, come on. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I came from Louisiana to be here. I want some Oklahoma excitement. Good afternoon. Thank you. And I don't just say that to say, gee, look at me. I say that to say I was a C student that someone said, wake up, get your head out of the ground, and look at what you can do. And that's what you're all about. I mean, yeah, I am here today because, unlike you, when I was in 5th grade, I was a knucklehead. Nobody said, you need to start looking about going to college, young man. Examine ourselves, we constantly examine ourselves, because sometimes people don't tell us. And hopefully can find another way of keeping 10. 10 can be 1 plus 9, 9 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 5 plus 5. The formula and the variables aren't that important. What's important is getting 10. And so what I'm here to tell you is that I'm just offering another way for you to get to 10. You feel that enthusiasm? Okay. I'm okay. Number 1, what you see up there is what you get. That's number 1. Number 2 is that I work very hard. Nothing comes easy to you. So let me go to number 3 real quick. I'm going to offer what I call pearls of wisdom. Number 4, I see, I forget. I hear, I remember. I do, I understand. You got to get in the pool. If you want to learn how to swim, you got to get in the pool. I can teach you, I can do theories. You got to get in the pool finally and learn how to do that stuff. All this leadership stuff we're talking, you got to learn to do it yourself. Make it your own.
Here, right here in Baton Rouge, there's kids that do not know and that hurts us tremendously because there's educational opportunities associated with both of those.
Jeff Zapp knows he was an All-American, first African-American Navy co-captain.
The Academy did not give up on me. They did not let me fail.
Talking to young people, and you're very dynamic and very animated, and you really get their attention. I think we was having it.
The retired naval midshipmen were at a Philadelphia high school today. They were encouraging students to consider a career in the Navy. The action cam here at Ben Franklin High School this afternoon as the advantages of a naval
More than
academy.
150 8th and 9th graders were all ears today. This event was held downtown at the Chicago Marriott Hotel, sponsored by the organization called Reach for Tomorrow, which attempts to open students' eyes to the possibilities of the future by using successful role models such as the captain. Quite the show.
You guys have a wonderful opportunity. You got to take the right road. Give yourself a round of applause. Congratulations. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Give it up for Jeffrey Sapp. Outstanding.
Quite the show.